Say goodbye to messy bag changes and hello to uninterrupted productivity with Longopac endless bags. Designed for seamless compatibility with Delfin industrial vacuum cleaners and dust extractors. See how effortless and clean getting rid of collected dust can be. Tie a plastic band around the bag. Squeeze the bag firmly. Place the second band a few inches higher. Cut in the middle. And throw away the bag. Concrete Care offers a wide range of Delfin industrial vacuum cleaners and dust extractors for sale or hire. Visit our showroom at Kylemore Park North, Dublin 10, or order online at concretecare.ie. Trade discounts available. See description for details.